What if AI could do more than answer your questions? What if it could plan, make decisions, and complete tasks on your behalf? That's the idea behind AI agents. But how do they know what to do, decide the next step, and use different tools to achieve a goal? In this video, we'll explain what AI agents are, how they work, and why they're becoming an important part of modern AI. What is an AI agent? An AI agent uses artificial intelligence to pursue a defined goal by processing information, planning actions, and using tools. It can also adjust its approach when conditions or results change. Think of it as a goal-driven system rather than a tool that only answers questions. So, how does an agent actually work? Every AI agent follows a structured workflow. It begins with a goal, reasons through the problem, uses tools to perform actions, remembers important information, and learns from the results. Although different AI agents may vary in their capabilities, this basic process remains largely the same. Let's explore each step. Every agent starts with a goal. The process begins when a user, another system, or an event provides the agent with an objective. The agent interprets the request, identifies any constraints, and determines what success should look like. A clearly defined goal helps the agent focus on the right outcome instead of performing unnecessary actions. Reasoning creates the plan. Once the goal is clear, the agent decides how to achieve it. It breaks the objective into smaller tasks, evaluates available information, and determines which action should happen next. If new information becomes available, the plan can adapt as the task progresses. Tools turn plans into actions. Planning alone cannot complete work outside the AI system. To interact with the real world, AI agents use approved tools such as APIs, databases, browsers, email systems, or calendars. What an agent can do depends on the tools and permissions it has been given. Memory provides context. Memory allows an AI agent to retain useful information while completing a task or across future interactions. It may remember previous results, user preferences, completed steps, or relevant business information. This helps reduce repetition and enables more consistent decision-making. Learning through feedback. After completing an action, the agent evaluates the result. If something changes or doesn't achieve the intended outcome, it can adjust its plan and continue working towards the goal. Some AI agents also improve over time through updated memory, evaluation processes, or additional training. AI agents are more than chatbots. At first glance, AI agents and chatbots may seem similar, but they serve different purposes. A chatbot mainly responds within a conversation. An AI agent goes further by planning tasks, using tools, and coordinating multiple actions to achieve a goal. For example, a chatbot might recommend travel options, while an authorized AI agent could compare those options, build an itinerary, and request approval before making bookings. Human oversight still matters. Although AI agents can work autonomously, they should not operate without appropriate safeguards. Approvals, access controls, monitoring, and audit trails help ensure that important decisions remain transparent and accountable. For high-impact tasks, human oversight continues to play a critical role. AI agents combine goals, reasoning, tools, memory, and feedback to complete tasks rather than simply generate responses. By working through this structured process, they can solve problems more efficiently while adapting to changing situations. Understanding how AI agents work helps organizations and individuals use them more effectively and responsibly. Explore our artificial intelligence courses at the Knowledge Academy to understand AI concepts, tools, and practical applications. The link is in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's official YouTube channel for more artificial intelligence insights and career guidance. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.